I'm gonna mount this light here onto here and here. We'll give you guys an update when I'm like halfway through. Alright, here's an update. So this wire here is the one that turns on this light here. That's gonna be mounted here. What I did was I put the brackets on the bumper, and then I marked them. There's a mark on that one. This one's nice and secure already. And then the way that I ran the wire for this harness was through here. As you can see, right down there. I had to take off this splash guard. All I did was just remove this one, and this one here, in order to flex this forward, this piece here forward. And I stuck my hand through there and fed the harness through to that hole there. So before I hook the light bar up, I just went ahead and tested it first real quick, and it's working. So now I just have to mount it on there. Alright, everything's mounted, good to go. Just gotta connect the wires and everything, put the fuse back in, connect the positive terminal, and then we'll get it started up. Alright, everything's finished. Got the Nilight light bar installed. Hard to see where the wire's at, which is good. Just gotta test it out, see how it looks.